Have any patients been affected so far?
Well, Pete, thankfully no patients have been affected, just 5 staff members who all caught the virus separately and work in different teams at the hospital. A further 7 people who work at the hospital have been isolated, being identified as close contacts. That's as a precaution. The number of medical personnel in Victoria who have either become sick from coronavirus or who have been placed into quarantine, well above 100 now. 238 cases were recorded in Victoria yesterday. That's 1,600 cases in a week. The number of active cases in the state now 1,931. Sadly, there was another death recorded as well, a woman in her 90s, the 3rd death in 24 hours. 105 Victorians are in hospital, 27 of those are in ICU, and 22 of those are fighting for their lives on ventilators. The Chief Health Officer has warned that as the number of the cases in the state continues to rise, we can expect to see 1 out of 100 people dying. That's roughly 2 to 3 people a week. Now, this is the end of the first week of 6 weeks of restrictions on metropolitan Melbourne and the Shire of Mitchell. The numbers appear to have stabilised and plateaued. They haven't come down from those horrible numbers well into the triple figures, above 200 just yet. That won't happen for at least another week, but if it doesn't, then the government hasn't ruled out imposing even tougher stage 4 restrictions.